All right, I will be embellishing our fascinator, and the materials we'll be using will be making use of a 6 inches crinoline. This is a 6 inches crinoline, though crinoline comes in different sizes. But for today's tutorial, we'll be making use of the 6 inches crinoline and the biggest size of Alice brand because of the weight of this mold, this fascinator, and your adhesive, your ostrich feather. This is how it comes. Your ostrich feather and your heart wire. I'll be making use of the thick one, the hard heart wire, okay? Though it comes in 2 types. We have the soft one and this hard one. But for today's tutorial, I'll be making use of the hard heart wire. And of course, your pheasant feather. This one is optional. You can choose to use it. You can choose to leave it that way. And your thread. Make sure you're using a matching color thread. And your needle for sewing. Your scissors for cutting. And of course, I will be making use of our trimmings. Okay? We'll be making use of I'll be making use of trimmings. This trimmings is to cover this rough edge inside. Okay, make sure you use a matching color, but if you don't have a matching color, I think silver does not select. Silver will go for any color. Okay, but if you also have a bias strip, if you have a bias strip, you can also use it to cover your work, or a pita sham. So whichever one you come across, you're good to go. All right, let's get into the video. All right, now we'll be inserting our heart wire inside our molded fascinator. Now you do it this way. Fold it, make sure it is small in size so that it can pass through. Then you put it, you insert it right inside your work. Hold this other end, then bring this on inside. Make sure it is at the edge. Okay, see this curved place. You see where that mold stopped? That's where our wire will be, not inside, not here. It will be here. So this is the wire. Then you bring this other one around it. Make sure you keep adjusting. You adjust, you release, you adjust, you release, just like that till you get to this point. Okay, when you've gotten to this point, please ensure you put like 3 inches or 4 inches allowance inside. Please video here so that they'll see what I'm talking about. This is it. This is the wire. This is it. This is the edge of where our molded this in shape stopped. So this is where it will be ending. So make sure you leave like 3 or 4 inches allowance inside. Okay, now when you've gotten the exact size, ensure this place now is coming up. Ensure it touches the edge, which is here. This is how it's meant to be. Okay, so now you bring it out. Please, before doing this, make sure you have a thread you've already rolled out. This is it. This is the previous edge here. Then you measure 4 inches away from the previous edge, and you'll be cutting it from the other side of the wire. Please ensure you hold it tight, because if you move your it's very hard though. You have to apply enough energy and force before it will cut. So please, before rolling this, ensure you have rope or sellotape so that you can hold these edges together. All right, now I'll be tying this edge and this edge together like this. Now you start securing it like this. Please ensure this edge of your wire is well covered. Ensure it is well covered. Okay, when it's well covered, you proceed to the other side of your wire. If you don't have maybe you don't want to make use of thread, you can use sellotape. You can use sellotape to band it so that it will just be in place. But me, I prefer using this thread though. I always like my work to be secured. So anyone you come across or anyone you feel it is easier and faster to do, you can go ahead and do that. Okay, but ensure it is firm so that your clients will not be complaining of the thing pulling off. Okay, ensure it is well tightened. Okay, all right, when you get to the other end of your wire, you also do the same thing. Ensure it is well tight it very well. Make sure it is very firm. Okay, when you're satisfied with it, then you proceed to the other side of your wire. You can still choose to end it here. You can choose to end your tying here, then put it like that. But I don't want that. I'm going to cover the whole of the wire with my thread. Okay, whichever one you want, you are good to go with it. Okay, all right, stay tuned.